My name is Joe Sullivan. I live in Omaha, Nebraska. We've got 4 grandchildren. We've got 4 kids. And so the pool is kind of action central during this time of the year. It's an old pool, probably about 50 years old, concrete. With a concrete pool, the pool never sinks, but the apron around the pool over time will sink down and be a different level than the pool. And so, causes problems with kids skinning their toes when they run into the pool, and it's unsightly. So what Thrasher did was they came out and they leveled the level of the concrete of the pool all around the pool, so it's the same level as the pool, and it looks very appealing. They also took out all of the existing caulk around the pool and put new caulk in, and that changed the appearance of the pool tremendously. So we've had a great experience with Thrasher. They're very professional. They do what they say they're going to do. They inform you what's going to happen before they start. They make sure that you're satisfied with the job. When they get done, they want to know how you think it went. And so, it's just a great, it's not a normal experience. A lot of times you do business with somebody and, when they get done, you just say, well, okay, goodbye. Thrasher sticks with you and lets you know, wants to know if you're happy and satisfied. The pool experience has just been, great. As a matter of fact, we got a call from somebody at Thrasher, and they said, we're doing a little follow-up. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you think your experience with Thrasher on this pool would be? And I said, well, probably about a 12 or 13. They kind of got a kick out of that.